the bottom so we can get rid of the rubbish. So yeah, that's the end of that one. Starting day 2 now. 8.5 hours, 278 miles. Today is hitting as close to the centre as we can get on the bikes, then the south, then the east, and then to the campsite. So fingers crossed today goes as well as yesterday, although the 20 mile an hours are getting a bit boring, if I'm being honest. Right, everything's packed, done. Right, let's go and meet Nick down the bottom. Right, that's that out of the way. Found the bins? No, it's dog shit bin. Oh yeah, it's nicer than yours. Oh, Nick's made a friend. Oh yeah, bike sex. Oh yeah, bike sex.
We're heading home now. We're going to go down towards Cardiff Way. Yeah, we're going to do like back in and all the parks and that. And then we can get back inland to another campsite tonight.
Tell him we're doing north, south, east, middle, west. That's the interesting bit.
Oh, lovely. Saturday. Oh, lovely.
Have a lovely trip.
And yourself, enjoy it.
Be safe.
Yeah.
Nick did the bike sex. Yeah, it's a nightmare, isn't it? When you got your earplugs in. It's like, you'll have to shout, mate. Well, that dog's only got 3 legs. Ride safely. You mean ride slowly? Shall we have a look in here? Is it in this one? Yeah. Right, spin round. But it looks like a little cafe thing.
stopped off for a cheeky breakfast. Just riding down the road and like, oh, they do breakfast, let's pop in there. So have some breakfast and then we'll just crack on.
Right, let's blow this joint. Thank you for the breakfast, however you pronounce that name. Sorry Mr. Van, I'd like to go faster so you can get along, but 20's plenty, innit? When it wants to, mate, this. Oh, cyclists. They like the brigade around. Mammals, they're called. Middle-aged man in lycra. I think we're just called for fobs. Fat fucks on bikes. Oh, full fob. Fat old fuck on bike. Oof, this looks like a tourist hotspot. Waterfalls car park. World famous falls and the 3 bridges. Oh my. Never put my foot down. Ah, pussy. It's over this bridge. Is it a bridge and then a right? No, it's down here. Here we go. Yeah. What a stupid idea this was. Yeah, and then we follow it round to the right. Trying to get to the middle of Wales, mate. Ah, it's private, bastard. Right, well, that's as far as we can go because it's a private road.
The middle of Wales, you mean?
Say again?
The middle of Wales, you mean? The middle of Wales, you mean?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's just over the top there, man.
Yeah, so I looked on the map, there's like 2 roads, and it was like I could go this one or that one to get as close as we could on the bikes, because we've done the top, got as far north as we could, then we're like trying to hit the middle, then we're going as far south, then as far east, and then as far west. So I thought he was going to be a bit of a dick, but he was alright.
I said once that on my back.
I need to figure out a way to get a tube from my vape
No.
up into my helmet and then put like a button on the handlebar. That'd be pretty cool. That'd be good for bike sex chat, wouldn't it?
No.
Right, let's get out of here then. Yeah. Right, bit of a send it up the hill. Yeah, you're clear to come straight out. Oh, some pottery in 200 yards, Nick. Would you like to go and look at some pottery? Oh, okay. Could buy Claire a new dish. It's a shed, mate. I'll stop off at these next services, bit of a leg stretch, have a swig of coffee and that. There we go, the first mechanical mishap has happened. Nick's bulb's gone. He just went and bought a new one. £2.50. Oh, head scratching. Come on, Nick. Ham it up for the likes, mate.
Yeah. Should be straightforward enough, shouldn't it?
Yeah. Remember, don't touch it, otherwise it dies straight away. So yeah, stopped off. Nick's going to change his bulb. And then we'll crack on. That road we've just been across, absolutely brilliant. And it wasn't 20 mile an hour. bridge. Nearly, I reckon. I think I was about that far off. Whoa! Speeder! I'm telling the police. I'm a law-abiding citizen. What's the matter? Oh, time for a new touring seat, mate.
Yeah, I need a new tyre.
Hey,
That tyre's too bad.
what was the tyre for that? 200 quid? 180?
It's about 110.
How much?
110?
110?
Yeah.
That sounds really cheap. Right, so it could be sunny or raining or snowing or anything coming through here. Oh, looks like these lot are just playing up and down here. There's the man with the camera. We'll have to find out who that is. Oh, there's a plane over there. I thought we were near an airport when I saw the plane. Oh, that's a bit odd. It's got half a slate roof and then a thatched. I love a thatched roof. They look dead smart. You need your poo your pants shorts back on. That is it. This is as far as we can go now. It is, isn't it? Better not fall over. Let's see the pictures just go right.
That wasn't video. Like an hour or two, find a pub, have a spot of dinner, cut a ciders, stay there maybe in a room, drive back the next day. No? Is that not in the repertoire?
No, that is not part of the plan.
Yeah, just go to like a pub lunch at a nice pub, drinking a bit of scenery.
I mean, we can pub lunch. I tell you what we could do. You know that the last day or the last night, the one before that, so Sunday. We could find somewhere, because that's not too long of a day. So we could find somewhere there for like a little pub luncheon. is, the old big Tesco. Spent many a time there. Oh, horrible place. So that's from when it used to be the apprentice college, when like the young kids used to go, like all the junior soldiers and that. The stanchions for the bridge run through the camp by the sergeant's mess. That's my old house there with that white car, 31 Old Coach Road. More Pads Estates down there. It. That is as far east as we can get. Oh, that's just the fuel. We could do that and then do fuel on the way out. You just say love a minge.
I said son of a bitch.
Oh, I thought you went, oh, love a minge. Oh shit, where's my phone? I think I've dropped my phone up there. Yep. Excuse me, has anyone handed in a mobile phone?
No, I'm sorry, nothing in here. Check the customer service.
So has anyone handed in a mobile phone?
Ooh, only just come on just so I can't say the moment.
Literally, it would have been like 5 minutes ago. Hello?
Why are you getting your phone away from next phone?
Because I've lost mine. Can you have a look and see where it is on Google Maps?
Hang on. Okay. It's showing a minute ago at Asda.
Whereabouts?
Looks like it's at the front door. So there's a no waiting area with some cars, disabled car parking.
Right, hang on. Just going to get a couple of beers. Oh, they won't be chilled, will they? Oh. Well, that's that drama over and done with.
What I was concerned about the most, all the bits you filmed.
You what?
All the photos you've taken, all the bits you filmed.
Exactly. Oh, hang on. I need to try and reconnect to you now.
Have you got your parents?
Yeah.
Oh, that's might be it.
Parent. And then do you press it again? Searching, yeah. Parent successful? Can you hear me?
Yeah, it takes a few seconds.
Hello, hello. I'm a dickhead who thought he'd lost his phone. Except I didn't, 'cause I'm not a dickhead and I put it somewhere safe.
Recording.
You what?
It's a shame that hasn't been recording.
It has.
Has it?
Yeah.
Oh, that's going to make it great.
Oh, mate, the drama captured forever. Holy mackerel. I know. Bit of green lane and mate. Off road, baby. Is that where we're going? Holy mackerel. Okay. Mate, who chooses these friggin' campsites, honestly? Yeah, that was going to be brilliant, isn't it? Gotta be, isn't it? Yeah, there's glamping huts straight through the trees, I can see them. I saw a glamping hut back there. Yeah. Oh, well there's that camping stuff there. Yeah. made it. No. Oh my god. This is like very Stroudy, isn't it? Is that reception, is it? Is that reception? Should we go and have a look? Yeah. Pull forwards a bit. We have arrived at Garth Glamping. So after the Ian's lost his phone debacle and the interesting ride in, tents are set up. Well, mine is. Nick's still blowing his bed up, blowing his pillow up, sorting out his 7 different shampoos and conditioners. But little stop off at Asda. Got some food, so get that on. Job's a good one. So that's where we are there. And then if we look just the other side, see there's all the other lot over there. Me and Nick have just tucked ourselves. I don't even know if we're in like the actual proper camping bit or if we're in the entrance, but we're staying here. And then if we fancy a midnight dip in the river, we can just pop down there. We could do some skimming later, Nick. Nick, we could do some skimming, and then at midnight we could do some skinny dipping. No? Well, skinny dipping's out. I did ask, but if you want to see Nick with his top off, not going to happen.